In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to HubSpot. By the end, you'll have your Gmail account linked so your conversations can be logged and tracked directly in HubSpot, helping your team keep context without manual copy and paste. First, sign into your HubSpot account. From anywhere in the app, look toward the top of the screen for the small gear icon. That's your settings. Click it to open the main settings area. If you don't see the gear, make sure you're in the primary HubSpot window and that you have the right permissions for integrations. Inside settings, use the left-hand sidebar to locate integrations. This is where HubSpot manages connections to other tools. Click integrations, then select connected apps. Connected apps shows everything your account has already installed and is also the jumping off point for adding new ones. Next, click Go to App Marketplace. This takes you to HubSpot's marketplace, where you can browse and install official integrations. At the top, there's a search bar. Type Gmail and press enter. If you have multiple results, look for the official Gmail integration by HubSpot. It will clearly mention connecting your Google email, so you can log and track messages. Click the Gmail result to open its listing page. Here, you can review what the integration does, what data it needs, and any compatibility notes. When you're ready, click Install. If you're prompted to choose a HubSpot account, pick the one you're currently working in. Then you'll be asked to sign in to your Google account if you're not already. Make sure you select the exact Gmail or Google Workspace account you want to connect, especially if you manage multiple Google logins in your browser. You'll see a permissions screen outlining what HubSpot is requesting. Typically, access needed to log emails you send and associate them with your records. Review these details and click Allow to proceed. If your organization restricts third-party app installations, you may need an administrator to approve the connection before it completes. Once the installation finishes, HubSpot will confirm the connection and return you to your settings. You can head back to Connected Apps to verify that Gmail now appears in your list. From this point on, your Gmail can work with HubSpot to help capture email activity and keep your timelines up to date. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account in your browser profile to avoid connecting the wrong inbox. And if you run into any authorization errors, retry the install in a clean browser window or check with your admin. That's it. Your Gmail is now connected to HubSpot.